Tapos yung second level.
Ang first row mo. Tingnan lang po sila dito. Yan. Up, up. Yan, yan. Yan. Up, up. White tiger.
Second row.
Second row, sir.
Yung tiger, kakabayan ng chicken, 10 to 15 kilos yan. Selfie po, selfie. Lock yan.